Hello everyone, welcome back to the Knight Gambit TV chess YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to give you two different chess tactics, card chess tactics. Okay, in Caro-Kann Defense. Okay, I am going to give you two different tactics about Caro-Kann Defense. Okay, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, I am going to give you 1 minute. Okay. If you don't know the answer, no problem. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer in the right time. Your chess game. Okay. This particular chess game ended in 2 moves. White win. White win by checkmate. You can see how to white win by checkmate. You thinking positivity. Okay. If you think very hard and risks and tactics idea, skew and fork fin, everything is mixed here. Okay, that's why you can understand every move one by one. Okay, you can understand every move one by one. Okay, look here, I am going to teach you what happens if I am going to teach you. Okay, don't. We will see this knight go to there. Oh, here. 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 This knight go to this way. Okay? You can understand right now in the right time. Okay. Then there's a queen here. You can see the queen. You can saw the queen. Yeah. I am going to teach you now. This is beautiful. Queen is here. White queen. This queen attack here. This pawn and check. Then we will get a beautiful tactic idea. This particular chess game. Okay. Now I am going to give you 1 minute. Before the 1 minute, you can find the right answer in the right time. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 1 minute. Okay? Now we can go to the timer. The timer is running right now in the right time. Okay. Now I am going to give you the right answer. Okay. Now timer is done. The timer is gone. 1 minute is left. Okay. Now first move is white turn. If white turn is first one, this particular chess game is position is Rick is improve your chess talent. Okay. In 2 moves, white win by checkmate. First move is queen plus d6 and beautiful check. If you see here, this king cannot go to space. There is a knight here. You can see here. I am going to teach you now. This king cannot go there. Cannot go there. If he goes only way, he can go here. If he go here, this queen come to here and beautiful checkmate. That's it. Okay. You can see here. Okay. Okay. Now we will see one by one. Okay. Another move is king f8, then queen f7 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is puzzles, card puzzles, tactical puzzles 1 in the Caro-Kann Defense. Okay, we can go to the second tactical puzzles in Caro-Kann Defense. Okay, If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Knight Gambit chess YouTube channel. In this particular chess video, I am going to give you second tactical puzzles with Caro-Kann Defense. Okay. I am going to give you 1 minute. Okay. If you know the answer before the 1 minute, you are a genius. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Now the timer is running right now in the right time. Okay. Okay, now the timer is finished. Okay, we can go to the moves. If first move is white chain, white win the game easily. White will get so many pieces. That's why white win the game. White won the game. Okay, let's go to the moving move. Okay, first move is knight goes d8. Yeah, knight take the rook. Then rook cross d8. Okay. Then second move f cross e3. Then the second move of black chain knight cross c4. Okay. Then the third move of white chain d take c4. In this particular chess game, white win easily because white has so many pieces. That's why white won the game. Okay. Don't worry. I am gave the answer. Okay. If you are beginner level player or grab level player or intermediate level player or advanced level players, every player should know the tactical puzzles in Caro-Kann Defense. Okay, Caro-Kann Defense is famous chess opening tactical puzzles. Okay, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, if you like this video, share your friends this video. And I am telling again one more things in my YouTube channel. I am publish live stream every day 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. in Sri Lanka time. 6:30 to 7:30 Sri Lanka. I want to make a live stream with subscribers, okay, and foreign country players, okay. If you like to join the chess game, I am play with you in the live. Okay. If you interest this video, don't forget to subscribe the video. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay. Bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay.